parts of the breast. Before, I know people used to think na asa magpundok ang gatas kay na diri sa nipple. No, to be honest. But let's keep in mind na where the milk is being stored is around breast, around here. No? Wala siya sa nipple. That's why kung mag-suck si baby sa nipple, pwedeng sakita. No? It would result to nipple soreness. So, let's keep in mind, the milk secreting cells are around here. Okay. So I have a question. In breastfeeding, the size of the breast matter? The size
No.
matter?
No.
Okay. Oh, puro no. Alright. So, yes, tama. It does not matter whether it's small, whether it's big. Makaproduce kaya ko nun. Okay? So, because ang kadakon, it really depends on the fat tissues. Okay? Right. So, there are two hormones in breast milk production. Okay, so hormones are chemical messengers in the blood. So during pregnancy, hormones help the breast, to develop and grow to start to make colostrum. Colostrum mode, that's what's going to come out first, no? Libreng bakuna para sa bata. So after delivery, hormones of pregnancy decreases. So prolactin and oxytocin are hormones important to help in the production and flow of milk. Now, arita sa prolactin. So, very easy to remember. Prolactin, production. Okay, so prolactin, production means production. So, it makes the alveoli produce milk, works after a baby has taken a feed to make milk for the next feed, and can make mother feel sleepy and relaxed. Okay, so level is high 2 hours after birth and at night. So, now I would like for you guys to connect how it connects to the skin to skin na atong standard at least an hour. It's because prolactin is high. So, it's really essential to help breastfeeding become successful ang unang yakap. Okay. So, keep in mind, in breastfeeding, breast milk is supply and demand. If demand is low, supply will be low. If demand is high, magkaan na mo ka, daghan ang supply. Okay. Now, here we go, oxytocin. Unsa ganito ang first hormone?
Prolactin.
Prolactin. It is responsible for what?
Production.
Production. Okay. Now, here we go, oxytocin, or otherwise known as the letdown reflex. It allows milk to come out. It contracts the milk cells, so allows milk to flow out. So, what if wala si oxytocin? Does it mean walay gatas? Question. If walay oxytocin, does it mean walay gatas ang mama?
Less.
Prolactin, production. Oxytocin, down. So again, my question is, does it mean kung wala ni agas ang gatas, ang breast milk, does it mean walay gatas? Yes or no? No, right?
Yes.
So, this is sometimes na mo na mahuna-huna sa mga mothers. Stress kay silang bana. Yan wala ni gawas ang gatas, ni automatic maingon walay gatas. But pag tanaw pa lang daan, very full ang ilang breast. Okay. So, remember, oxytocin causes muscle cells to contract and makes milk flow. If wala na siya, di mo flow si milk. If stress ka ang mama, di mo flow si milk. Okay. Alright. So here are the signs of oxytocin na reflex. Painful uterine contraction, with rush of blood, especially in the first week. Milk spray from the breast or leaking breast which is not being sucked. So very common thing that could happen is kung magpatutoy gani siya sa usa ka breast, mag-agas ang tikas ng breast. So some mothers would do magsaw. Clean container, magsaw. Or mag-attach og specific na haka man siguro. Yeah. So ana. Next, feels a squeezing sensation or tingling sensation in her breast just before she feeds the baby. Milk flowing from the breast when she thinks of her baby or hears the baby crying, and milk dripping from her other breast. So, before magpatutoy, this is what moni gibuhat sa akong misis Bod. Before siya mo pump, mananaw siya video sa among anak, among baby. Para ma-prime iyang hunahuna. Iwas sa stress trabaho, iwas sa lain mga stress, iwas sa stress iyang bana. Okay, so, hunahuna siya sa baby. Okay, so, ma-relax siya, which allows milk flow to be stirred. So, okay, margi prime. So, what are the helping and hindering the oxytocin reflex? Una ta sa helping. Thinks lovingly of baby, sounds of baby, sight of baby, and if you could see, the all caps dyan siya, no? Confidence. So, ang preparation for breastfeeding does not start igawas sa baby. When to prepare for breastfeeding, starts palandaan pag prenatal. Paghibaw na, oy, buntis day ko. So, you have months, 3 trimesters to prepare. To mentally prepare na I will breastfeed my baby. Okay, diha na mag-practice. So, na yung mga ani, depende kung asa mo magpa-check up. Okay. So, what hinders the oxytocin reflex? The man-aged ni. Worry. Stress. Pain or doubt. So, breastfeeding really starts here. Mental preparation. If dili mentally prepared ng mother, there's a higher chance na dili mas successful ang breastfeeding. So, it all starts first, mental preparation. Now, ang mother na dahil mag-mental prep, dili sad. Apil po iyang partner. Kay, as mentioned yesterday po, without support, ang breastfeeding dito siya successful. Without support. Okay. So again, keep in mind ang maghinder, worry, stress, pain, o doubt. Number 1 din ang worry and stress, no? Kay, why ni agas? Wa na, samot ka stress, samot ka worry. Samot mo agas. So, that's why, mental prep and support. Okay. So, another thing na pwede buhaton, no, is the massage. Kinsa diri nakatry na gi-massage sila o inani on your right side. Kinsa nakatry? Wala pa? Sige. Ako nakatry ko na ako ni massage. Okay. So, based from feedback, no, from Mrs. Yan na siya, naka-help jud, no? It helps stimulate, relaxing. So, the purpose of that is to allow the mother to relax. Diba? Nindot magka-massage, diba? Unsa yung feeling kung mag-i-masahe mo? Relax. So that moments of relaxation allows you to be released from stress. Okay. Right. Now, remember I said na breastfeeding is law of supply and demand. So what happens if we don't remove the milk? Breast milk contains inhibitor that can reduce milk production. Kuya, no. So, ang meaning to say, in simple terms, if it's not removed, mo signal na sa brain, uy, wa man gi-remove, basig less na ang need. So, minus lang ta sa atong production. Magkaana mo ka minus. So, that's why the amount of milk produced depends on how much milk is removed. So, when breastfeeding, we do not say, oy, 5 minutes lang ka diri sa right, 5 minutes diri ka sa left. Ang breastfeeding ana is, as mentioned yesterday in our topics, now we allow the baby to detach. Siya ra ang mo detach. Okay? Then if, for example, first feed niya today is the right breast. The baby fed for 20 minutes, busog. After an hour or two, gutom na po. Ari na po ka sa pikas. Okay? Allow the baby to detach. If mo tanong mo, sir, what if didetach siya? Yan nangayo pa. Tagay sa pikas. Okay. So, now, why is that? Ano, kailangan man i-finish first ang one breast before transitioning to the other breast? Ano man? Who has an idea? Why does the baby have to finish the first one breast before transferring to the other breast? Why not, 5 minutes lang ka diri sa right, 5 minutes diri ka sa left? Ano man? I heard. There is because there are two kinds of milk, no, in the breast. One is fore milk, the other is hind milk. Fore milk is mo na ang unang magawas. It's more liquid, lighter siya. Ang hind milk is fattier. Mas, how do you say this? Caloric dense, nutrient dense. Higher ang iyang fat na content. So, katong diri naka-soy o pump na inyong gi-store, ang lighter version is mo na ang kasagaran naa sa fore milk. Magawas. Mo na ang una makasatiate sa thirst sa bata. While ang hind milk is busog. Okay. Alright. Sige. Now, so to prevent the feedback inhibitor from collecting and reducing milk production, make sure that the baby is well attached. Bisag unsa pagkadaghan ang gatas. If the baby is not well attached, ang pag-extract sa milk dili efficient. Imbis daghan iyang imbis supposedly daghan ta mugawas na milk, pero the attachment is wrong, or the attachment na sa nipple siya nag-attach, dili ina kadaghan mugawas. Okay? So encourage frequent feeds. Allow to feed as long as she wants at each breast. Finish one breast before giving the other, and if baby cannot suckle, express the milk so that production continues. So make sure that the baby is well attached. Unsa to ang 4 signs of good attachment?
Mouth
We
wide-
start first with,
Mouth wide open.
okay, mouth wide open. Number 2, lower lip is turned outward. Number 3,
Chin touches the breast.
chin
Touches
touching the breast. And lastly,
More areolas.
more areola seen. Wow,
Upper than
perfect.
lower.
Very good. Okay. Now, encourage frequent feeds. That's part of step 8. Na breastfeeding per demand. So as mentioned yesterday, put the importance of rooming in. It also allows the parent to see unsa man jud ang tendency sa bata. How do I know to familiarize, no? How hungry? Unsa ang iyang actions, no, na mga hunger cues. Very important ang mahibawan ang hunger cues, because what majority of the people know in our community or here in the Philippines is kung saan pagkaibaw ng gutom ng bata, hila. Okay. Crying is a late sign of hunger. Kung hila kaniyang bata, nagutom, ang pasabotan na is perting gutoman na jud nako.